Camp Choice is a no-cost 3-day camp for Indigenous youth. We bring grades 7 and 8 students from various communities to experience what post-secondary education can be like with the support of our Indigenous Resource Center. Camp Choice is a wonderful opportunity for Indigenous youth to immerse themselves on a college campus amongst their peers and within their culture. We incorporate culture throughout our programming because we recognize how important it is for them to understand that they belong here. It is a fun and interactive way for them to imagine themselves here in the future.
So very often, elementary and high school students struggle to figure out what they want to do with their careers. Here at Humber, we have over 170 different programs, each one in its own career. Spending time on campus really serves the purpose of helping introduce Indigenous students to what possibilities exist for their future careers. An early touch point like attending Camp Choice can really kickstart their journey to post-secondary education.
Our youth leaders are all Indigenous Humber students and graduates, and that means that they can relate to visiting students in some very special ways. It is extremely important that Camp Choice participants see themselves reflected in our spaces, their youth leaders, and our workshop facilitators. I think that getting to spend time with other Indigenous people who are successful in their fields can really inspire Indigenous youth to strive to succeed in their own way.
Historically, the Toronto region was a meeting place for Indigenous people, and we're continuing that tradition with Camp Choice. Ontario has the largest Indigenous population in Canada, and over the past 10 years, we have had over 2,000 youth come through this program. Camp Choice is special because over the 3 days that they are here, the youth from all different nations in Ontario are able to build meaningful connections with their peers, their community here in Toronto, and their future selves. We are always thinking about how we can grow and reach new communities. If your community is interested in learning more about our Camp Choice programming, please feel free to reach out to us.